Alright, so watch me as I withdraw 130 USD from Deriv right now, and I'm going to show you how I'll do it step by step. So the first thing that I have to do is to probably log into deriv.com. So let me go to the platform. I'll tap on login right away, then probably enter my details over here. Alright, so right after logging in, the first thing that I have to do is to transfer my money from my MT5 platform to the Deriv wallet directly. So I'm going to tap on cashier over here. So from cashier, I'll go to transfer, and I have to type the amount that I want to transfer. So I'm going to do it this way. It will be from DMT5 to USD. So the top over here, I'm going to select DMT5, that is Africa. I'm in Africa actually. So the second part over here is to the USD, all right, US dollar account. So I'm going to type the amount over here, which is 130, and I'm going to tap on transfer. Then we'll see transferring quickly. You can see it's showing up over here, right? So what I'm going to do next is to go back to the menu bar over here and go to cashier again, and from here I'm going to payment agents, and from payment agents I'm going to tap on the withdrawal, and I'll probably receive a mail to proceed from there. So I'll tap on withdrawal, then boom, we've sent you an email. So probably I'm going to check out the email right away. So let's see. And of course, here is the email. So verify your withdrawal request. So I'm going to just check this out. So hi Godsway, before we can process your withdrawal, we first need to check that it was you who made the request. So yes, it's me, and I'm going to go back to the withdrawal platform, and I'll proceed from there. So just watch me as I do this. Alright, so it has loaded successfully, and what I'm going to do is to select the name of the person that I'm going to withdraw through. So probably I'm going to withdraw through Mr. Bediako. So I'm just going to search for his name. Okay, it's right here, Bediako Asari. So yeah, after selecting it, I can also paste the CR code over here. I probably copied it already, so I'm just going to paste it over there. Then enter the amount that I want to transfer, and it is 130. From there I can just tap on withdraw, then probably have to confirm. So it is going to the payment agent, Mr. Bediako Asari, and the amount is 130, and I'm going to tap on confirm, and then from here I can just send details to the person. Okay, important notice to receive your funds. You are not done yet. To receive the transferred funds, you must contact the payment agent for further instruction. A summary of this transaction has been emailed to you for your records, Mr. Bediako agent. So the contact is here, and what I'm going to do is to just take a screenshot of this and send it to him right away via WhatsApp, because I already have his contacts. And yeah, let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to send it over here. I'll be like done, and I'm going to send him my my Momo details, something like that. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. Alright, so let's see. Okay, he just said okay. Let's see how long it will take for me to actually, like, for him to transfer the amounts. Let's see, I sent this one 821. He replied 821. Let's see when he will send this one. So he's typing. Let's see, and I will have to confirm if he has sent it or not. So let's see. I don't want to cut the video. I want to see how long it will take for him to transfer the amount. So yeah, let's just observe this for a few minutes probably and see. All right, so 822. I sent this one 821 and 822. He said he has sent it. So let me just confirm that right away. So I'm going to check through my messages and see what is going to be there. All right, Okay, messages, let me see. Okay, cool. So I've received this. Okay, good, that's it. So like you've rightly seen it, yeah, he has sent it within a minute. So yeah, so I'll be like received. Okay, receive with thanks. Yeah, so guys, that is it. That's how to actually withdraw your coin. And yeah, enjoy. So you trade, withdraw, you trade, withdraw, that's it. So you can see the amount has reduced over here. It was first around 4 something, but right now it's 3 something. So yeah, that is it. And I hope you've actually find this helpful. And if you want to withdraw your money through payment agent and receive the money through your Momo instantly, then probably use Mr. Bediako Asari. Yeah, you can get in touch with me if probably you want to maybe link up with him on WhatsApp or something like that. Yeah, so that is it, and I hope to see you probably in the next video.